Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. Are you a Note fans? Let me know in the comment below. Here are the exciting news. So a few days back, a well-known graphic designer Technizo Concept has showed us a trailer of what Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra will look like. So as the year 2021 is coming to an end, we set our eyes to year 2022 and the inevitable launch of the Galaxy Note 22 series, which is rumored to be Galaxy S22 series. Samsung leads the charge each year, setting the pace for other Android phone makers with the latest Snapdragon 800 series chipset, gorgeous displays, and powerful features. But 2021 started a shift that looks like it might continue to evolve next year. Samsung opened up the popular S Pen functionality to the Galaxy S21 Ultra, further blurring the line between the Galaxy S and Galaxy Note families. Then we got the Galaxy Z Fold 3, a $1,799 foldable phone with optional S Pen support. You'd have to fork over up to $100 just to get something that the Galaxy Note phones came standard with. All the buzz at the Fold 3's launch asserted that the new top-tier and expensive foldable had replaced the Note and that there was no Galaxy Note 21. Samsung had two problems to overcome with this strategy. Firstly, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 was just too expensive. Even when the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra pushed $1,299 for the base model, the $500 delta between it and the Fold was too much to convince die-hard Note fans to switch. Secondly, the optional S Pen felt like a slap in the face to Note users. Not only did you have to pay extra for it, there was also no built-in slot to store it. Instead, you had to carry the stylus on its own, which carried risk of damage or loss, or pay another fee to get a bulky case that added a holster for the S Pen. But now new rumors and alleged Galaxy S22 Ultra leaked photos show a flagship that looks surprisingly Note-like. From the rounded edges to the blocky design and S Pen slot, the S22 Ultra looks like a true Note in all but name. The Galaxy S22 series is expected to showcase the latest Snapdragon 800 series processor, but international models might see Samsung's newest Exynos 2200 chip. The latter is said to have AMD graphics, meaning it could be a gaming powerhouse. It's just a bummer that we in the US may not ever get to see the Exynos Galaxy S22. Like with the Galaxy S21, there should be three Galaxy S22 models: the 6.8-inch Ultra, the 6.5-inch Plus or Pro, and the 6.1-inch S22. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will look very different than the other two models. The non-Ultra variants seem like they'll be iterations on the Galaxy S21's design, whereas the Galaxy S22 Ultra appears to carry a lot of Galaxy Note DNA. So does that mean Samsung realized it messed up putting the Note line out to pasture? Well, I can't say for sure, but I do know that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 was not the ideal Note replacement. While it could be a powerful productivity machine thanks to the folding displays, it lacked the polish the Note line has had for a few years now. Rumors say that the Galaxy S22 will launch in February instead of January like the Galaxy S21 did, so we might have to wait a bit to officially see Samsung's future Galaxy S line or Galaxy Note plans. For sure, we are eagerly waiting for this premium device. Well, let me know what you think in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.